Nigeria has actually made a radio jingle on how not to contract bird flu. The jingle actually told people not to touch or eat bird poop. I mean, we need that information. Don't touch or eat it. I think we got that. I mean, don't we? Do we need that commercial here? As a public service, we put one together, too, for the dummies in America.
As the father of 2 small children, I understand the importance of educating our kids about the dangers of bird flu. So we've put together this catchy jingle to help you and your kids remember how to stay safe, because bird flu is no laughing matter.
If you want to stay healthy so much, there's just one thing you don't want to touch. It's bird fleas.